Okay, so hi kids, how are you? I'm going to show you a great tool today to create dialogues. So, and between characters and it's going to be a lot of fun. You will see. So the first thing you need to do is to write the address. The address is plotagon.com. You write it, and then you basically go to download. And after you download the program, you can start working with it. So you are downloading for your PC, unless you have a Mac, but I'm sure most of you have just a simple regular PC. So you press download for PC and you wait until it downloads. So we're just going to wait together. I'm going to stop the video until my program downloads, and we will continue in a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, the download is about to finish. And there it is, it has finished. And now what we're going to do, we're going to press on the file, open it, start it. You can choose the path you want to install the application, of course, to agree to everything and install it onto your computer. If you don't install it, then you can't really work with it. So this is something that you must do if you want to use this program. And we'll wait for it to configure. And when it finishes, we just press finish, the finish button, and hopefully the program will launch right after. If it doesn't launch, we can look for it on the desktop. There it is. We double click it to open. Of course, because you haven't registered yet, you will not choose the login. Only the second time and the third time you do it, you choose the login. Right now, you will use only the new, and then you start basically building your characters. You can either choose a male or a female. You can change the nose, the color of the face, the body color, the skin color, skin type, the hair. The hairdo, you can choose blonde or black. It doesn't matter. I'm just going through this real quick. And okay, this is a weird looking girl with a mustache. Let's cancel that and choose the eye color, type of the eyes, the eyebrow, the lips. And if you wanted to have glasses, she may have glasses. Okay, and you can change her blouse. And then when you finish, then you just press the V button, and you can log in using your Facebook account, or you just give it a new username, full name, and etc. Now we will see what happens after we log in, because I will log in with my account in a second. Okay, so this is my account in Plotagon. I just want to show you how to create a new scene. So basically, you go to this button where it says create, you press it, and we have this character now whose name is Ophelia. And we can create a new character and just make it be a male, randomize whatever we want. Okay, we can make an old lady, it doesn't matter. Then you continue with everything like I taught you before. Just create the character. I'm just going to move on and on and on here till the end. So we'll have two different characters. Okay, now we don't want to create more characters. We want to create our dialogues. So we go to plots and we say create new plot. press create new plot. And we start with creating the scene. So we choose what kind of scene. If we want the location to be a classroom, for example, in the classroom we want one of our characters. We choose which character. Let's say here in the character where it's underlined the word character, we choose Ophelia to be sitting at the left desk. There she is, you see, she shows up. And then we choose Matthew, who we've just created. We can have him sit next to her, or we can have him stand by the door, and we choose it right here. And then when we want them to talk, to make a conversation, we press the dialogue. And we say on the character, when we press the character, we say which character we want to speak. So let's say we want Matthew to start speaking first. He can be I don't know, flirty with Ophelia, and he can say hello. And then Ophelia can answer him. So we again press the dialogue. We choose Ophelia now, and we can say that she was giggling, okay? And she says, "Hi there. Hi there." Okay? I'm just showing you real quick. Hi there. How are you? How are you? Let's say Matthew says, "Hello. How are you? How are you, sick you pretty girl?" And she says, "Hello. Hello there. How are you? Hello there." Giggling, right? I'm fine, thank you. I'm just okay. So now you can also create some kind of a I don't know, an action that would take place. So for example, Matthew acts on, so he can go and kiss, give a shy kiss even. Okay, shy kiss, Ophelia. Yes. We can also add a sound, okay? Sound effect. I don't know, something romantic maybe. We just look for a fitting sound effect, something that would fit our scene. Kissing noise, okay. And we can add music to the scene. Music. We add music, let's say something romantic. Let's look for romantic music. And we can have the music begin at the beginning of the whole scene. Okay, so we can have the music begin here. So romantic music, and then classroom. We can basically move these things around. If you want all of a sudden Ophelia to giggle first and then Matthew to ask her a question, okay? If you want to create another dialogue and have Matthew say hi, okay, without saying anything else before, let's say he's going to be blow kissing hi, okay? So you can basically, after you do that, you can move it here. Then Ophelia says, "Hi there." But then he has to ask her first, right? So she needs to answer. So let's say she's answering. So Ophelia is saying, "Hello." Flirty. Okay. So we want to move that here. Okay. Now we can watch the whole thing. So we can just go here and start watching. Okay. And after we finished creating our scene, we want to publish, so we publish it. We give it a name. let's call it Ophelia, and we publish. When it finishes rendering, you can actually choose between either if you want to publish it on YouTube or you just want to have the link. It doesn't matter. I'll show you in a second. You choose what you want to do, and this is it. You have your dialogue video all up and ready and set. So you can either share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, copy and share the URL, and copy in the in-app link. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can now create your own dialogue.